What is up, my dudes? I haven't said that in a while. So today, as you can tell from the title, we're gonna be doing another one of those like transformation videos. I keep seeing everyone doing it on YouTube, so I really want to do it. I bought some extensions on Amazon. They look so beautiful. Hopefully they match the 25 colors that are in my hair. At least one of them, or 2 colors that are in my hair. Just hopefully it matches. I'm praying. This is not usually how my hair looks. I fell asleep with it wet so that I can iron it today. But yeah, it's usually curlier, just nicer. So we're gonna try to iron it. Don't get scared. I do have some heat protection spray. It's from Tresemme. I just took all this stuff from my mom's bathroom because she irons her hair a lot. I don't really iron my hair ever. If I do, she does it for me, and she's out of town, so she cannot help me with this video, unfortunately. We're just gonna be doing a hair transformation, and let's get started, I guess. I don't know. I'm gonna be listening to music that is not copyright free, so I'm just gonna try to speed through doing my main, and then we're gonna get into the extensions and all that stuff. So let's do this. I don't even know like what I'm supposed to do. Like, oh, I just like spray it, all of it. My mom's gonna watch this video and be like, what are you doing? I don't know. I think I have to brush my hair and put it like in sections. So this is not gonna be fun because it's okay. I guess we can start trying to iron this. Let's do it. I have to get a thumbnail, so I'm gonna take a picture right now. Is that good? I think that's good. All right. Guys, it's been like 30 minutes and I've just been clipping it hasn't been 30 minutes. It's been like 15, and I've been clipping the parts that I've straightened, like right here. And I believe this is not the iron that my mom uses. She uses like a thinner one, but I think she took it with her on her trip. So I'm gonna be using this one. And it's just really hard to get in there and just straighten everything, but I'm trying. I'm really trying to do this the right way. I know this isn't the right way, but I'm trying. Hopefully it looks okay in the end. I was gonna do a time lapse, but then I realized it's gonna take me like 3 hours to do this, so I don't want to waste all my memory on that. So I'm just gonna check in every once in a while. But yeah, this is not easy. Like, props to all you curly haired people that actually iron your hair, because I can't do this. I don't know how you guys do this. It takes way too long, and I'm sweating. Do you guys sweat when you do your hair? Because I'm dying here. All right, I'll check back in a few. Bye. What even is my hair right now? What is this? Is the only thing I have left to iron. The rest I put here in a bun. So I'm just sweaty and I'm tired. Also, my boyfriend brought me some watermelon because I haven't eaten in a while. So I'm gonna take a watermelon break, and then I'll show you the finished product, okay? Okay. Whew! Okay, it's like an hour later, and wow, imagine my hair was this short. This is the length right now. It's right here. Definitely not perfect, a bit puffy, but like really good for not knowing what I'm doing. I haven't done this since I was like in middle school when I really wanted to have straight hair, not curly hair. But I think I'm gonna curl it a little bit because I just realized the extensions are curled. Let me show you them. Okay, so the brand is Diva Look Hair Extensions, and they're just like one, what is it called, a weft? I have no idea. I tried to find my color on the website being Amazon. I don't know why I said that. The website. And this is the color it gave me. So it's like dark brown, and then it goes into, wow, that matches pretty well, my hair color. Wow, this is so much softer than my real hair. So yeah, as you can see, it's curled. So I have to try to mimic that. My mom does have a curling iron, so we're gonna try to do it. The hair smells kind of good. I think it's 20 something inches, I don't know. I just want longer hair. I love having long hair. My hair's been growing a lot, but now that I've ironed it, I can feel like the ends are not healthy, so I'm gonna have to chop it again. But yeah, this is how it looks in the back. I know it's like bumpy and stuff, but that's the length of it right now. I'm like so embarrassed because I know I did it really bad, but when we curl it, I think it'll look a little bit better. You guys, what? This is so pretty. I never curl my hair, so I'm like, I feel like a different person. I have curly hair, so why would I curl it? You know, like if I want to have straight hair, I make it like pin straight. Okay.
I'm sorry.
Are you? I usually just want to make it pin straight because I'm so annoyed of the curls. I just want to have like, you know, but this looks so friggin' nice. I'm gonna put the extensions on. Probably not yet. I think I'm gonna take a shower first, shave my legs, because I'm actually gonna film another video while I'm filming this. I'm gonna be doing the boyfriend rates my outfits video, and there's some skirts and stuff in there, so I have to shave my legs. And then I'll bring you guys along to the weird part of my makeup look that I don't usually do. The more transformation part, which is gonna be the smoky eye. I think it's gonna be a smoky eye. I don't know, that sounds like a lot of work right now. Guys, it's such a gloomy day outside, and I'm like getting all glammed up. And it's just, I don't know, it kind of gets you in like a bad mood in a way. Like if you're going out and it's raining, it's meh. But if you're staying in and it's raining, it's kind of awesome. Do you guys understand what I'm saying? Now, we're gonna put some makeup on. I wanna do something that I don't usually do. I usually do anything with makeup, but for some reason, I don't really touch black eyeshadow at all. So, I'm gonna be using this and, you know, some browns. But yeah, I feel like I could do anything I want with this palette, so we're gonna see what we can come up with. Yeah, I think I'm gonna do my eyes first because my base is gonna get all messed up with black eyeshadow if I don't do it first. So, let go. Okay, so I just primed my lids. I'm gonna be taking like a really warm brown. It's kind of orangey, and I'm gonna put that in my crease. I'm using an M441 Morphe brush, which is so freaking nice. I have a lot of makeup brushes from like TJ Maxx and stuff because I just figured like they're the same quality. I don't know. I thought they're gonna be the same quality. I was like, why am I gonna spend so much money? And then I started trying out Morphe, and their brushes are just, they're actually still affordable, but their quality is so amazing. So now I'm just obsessed and I can't stop using them. I feel like I'm going to prom because this is like so much. I don't know, when I get ready, obviously I do my hair, but my hair's curly, so I don't really have to do much to it. I just have to wet it. And this smoky eye situation to me is just so like prom, winter formal, you know? I just went a little bit ham and I forgot to record. So I'm playing with some black and brown eyeshadows, a little bit of orange to like warm it up. And I must say, I think it looks really freaking cool. Obviously with the rest of my face makeup on, I think it's gonna look even cooler, but who knows, maybe I'll start becoming a smoky eye person. Okay, I think I'm gonna do a wing and then I'll be back. Okay, so I finished my eyeballs. I think they look really cute. They're a little bit dark for what I'm used to. I'm used to doing like yellow, pink, purple, like bright, happy, and this is kind of like, but yeah, now I'm gonna do my face makeup and then I'll be back to show you like the final look. Oh guys, whew. I never get myself all ready like this, and it's so hot and I'm so over it. Like, I thought this video was gonna be like really fun. It is really fun, but like the end result is really fun. I feel like a different person with this hair, but I don't know. It's just a lot of work, I guess. Especially because I know that it's raining outside, so I can't get my hair wet or else it'll get all frizzy and gross, and then it's just like you spend so much time to make yourself look all cute, and then the rain can just ruin it, or your sweat, or whatever. So is that negative? I guess. I don't know. So yeah, I did my eyebrows kind of dark, contoured really sharply, and I'm gonna do my inner corner highlight with the Fenty Beauty How Many Carats highlighter, and I'm gonna put that on my cheeks too, I think. And then we should be almost done. So okay guys, so I actually threw on a red lip. This is the Fenty Beauty lip paint, Stunna lip paint in Uncensored. It's so pretty. I really like the formula. It feels really nice on my lips. It's very hard to apply red lipstick. I just realized I kind of haven't applied it in a long time. I don't really wear red lipstick very often. I don't know, it just transformed the whole look. So now I'm gonna do the extensions, and I have no idea how. There's actually instructions. It says, oh, this is to wash it. These extensions can be ironed, which is kind of cool if you don't want it to have that curl. There's 1, 2, 3, there's 5 little clips. I guess I have to section off my hair in order to do this right. Wow, I'm sweating, you guys. Like, I've never gotten ready for this long in my entire life. I started at 12 and it's 3 o'clock. Like, how? Oh god. I feel like my head is too small for these extensions. I'm sweating so much. It's actually crazy. Ow, this thing's pulling me. Ow, that hurts. I think I have to fix it. What? It's like really pulling. I don't think it's supposed to be pulling like that. Okay, so my boyfriend's gonna pick my outfit, and then I'll be back to show you my finished look, okay? I feel like a different person. Like, look how long. I wish my hair was this long. Okay guys, I know the lighting has changed a lot, but we are done finally. My hair's starting to look a little bit more like the extensions now. Like, they're kind of blending in a little bit better. The outfit that my boyfriend chose is this little crop top with this little skirt right here. That's my outfit for today. I don't know, it's really cute. I just feel like wearing sweatpants today, so I don't know if I'm actually gonna go through with this whole outfit. Let me know what you guys think of this little transformation. Let me show you a clip of how I looked before, or a photo of how I looked before. just so you can remember how far we've come. Also, it's like 5 o'clock or 4 o'clock, and I started filming this at 12 o'clock. In between this video, we filmed the Boyfriend Rates My Outfits video, so it's just like, it's been a long day. I am very tired, but I'm so excited to get these 2 videos out for you. I've been in my bathroom for most of my day, which is crazy. Let me know what you think of these extensions. I'm gonna link them in the description box down below just in case you want to purchase some, because they're like very, very affordable. And I feel like Beyonce, like, look at how beautiful these extensions are. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you very, 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 very soon. Bye.